If you want to move data on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 from or to your USB flash drive, then after connecting the flash drive, we can open the Files app, the My Files app actually. Now over here on the left side, as you can see, we have different storages. And in this case, let's say we can also go, of course, through these categories. Let me actually reopen the app. We can go through these categories in order to try to find files that we want to transfer. However, over here, we can only see files that we have on our internal storage or the memory card. So you might also want to go directly to the internal storage or your USB flash drive if you want to transfer something from the flash drive, of course. In this case, I'm gonna go to the internal storage. Now over here we need to locate all these files that we want to transfer. So let's say I'm going to go to DCIM where I can find screenshots. So let's say I want to transfer some of these screenshots. What I can do is I can press and hold my finger in order to select the first file, and then we can select a couple of more. And once you select everything that you want to transfer, then we need to choose move over here at the bottom. Now over here at the tab, we can choose, for example, USB storage or flash drive or whatever. And the reason why I'm choosing this is because I'm transferring from the internal storage to the flash drive. If I want to do this the other way around, then of course I want to actually choose the internal storage. And then we need to choose where we want to save our files. So let's say I'm going to choose this folder over here and move here. And there we go, we have moved files. If I now go to the USB storage and open the folder, I will find my screenshots. So now if I want to transfer something from the flash drive to the internal storage, then of course we can select everything over here and do exactly the same thing. But like I said, this time we want to choose internal storage. Choose the location where it should be saved and decide to move. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.